Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling assistive touch because the watch reads your hand motion, not just taps. Open Settings on the watch or iPhone, go to Accessibility, then Touch, then Assistive Touch. Turn it on right away and allow pairing prompts. Once enabled, make sure hand gestures are active. This is how the watch recognizes a clench. Choose Clench as one of the gestures in the menu, so the device knows which motion triggers an action when you perform it. Now you assign what a clench actually does, so it's useful. Tap Clench in the gestures list and pick whether a single or double clench will invoke the action. You can map it to system controls, a shortcuts automation, or accessibility functions. Choose what saves you time. Once assigned, test with a gentle clench while wearing the watch. This confirms the mapping. If the watch misses it, adjust motion sensitivity in assistive touch until recognition is reliable and consistent. Finish by practicing the clench in real contexts because muscle memory matters. Once done, make sure you wear the watch snugly. Loose fit reduces detection. If gestures stop responding, restart the watch and reconfirm assistive touch is still enabled. If problems persist, reset assistive touch settings and reassign the clench action. This clears configuration errors. One key troubleshooting tip: if detection is flaky, tighten the band slightly and reduce.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.